If you don't know how to cook or you don't feel like cooking, whatever the case may be, you need to try these buffalo chicken taquitos because they are literally so good. And you're gonna have everyone thinking you know how to cook when in reality it's just shredded chicken, buffalo sauce, and cheese. You just wrap that in a tortilla and then you fry it. The frying part isn't even hard at all. You just wait until it's brown and then you flip it and you repeat the process. This is such an easy recipe. There is no reason why you need to go be eating at McDonald's right now. You need to go eat this. Look, and then you top it off with some guac, some tomatoes, some ranch, So good.